Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you my iPad Pro skin mockup file. Here is the file on my desktop and it's really simple PSD mockup you can use to showcase your own skins and decals designs. Okay, so let's start it. So I just opened this in my Photoshop right here and just double double tap on the smart object like that. I already some photos download from the internet. You can download it too. If you have your own design, you can just drag and drop. So it's really simple, just drag and drop. Okay, and after that I'm just fitting this. Double tap and hit save. You can see it's all automatically updated in perfect and perspective with lighting and shadows. You can change the background color too. From here you can see the mockup folder right here. Just click on it and here is a color fill one. You can just double tap. You can change background any whatever you like it. I just put it white. Cancel it. This is a great for selling skins, wraps, or digital artwork previewing online. And if you want to get this mockup, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design mockup and tutorials. Thank you.